I think a lot of smart ideas never get shared because turning them into slides feels like too much work, but don't worry, I've got a solution for both of us. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist and a keynote speaker, and presentations are a huge part of my work. Client sessions, workshops, live talks. So today I'm going to show you how I prep presentations using Adobe Express, specifically the new quick action called Generate Presentation. I'm partnering with Adobe Express for this video. This tool, this brand new quick action, genuinely is so impressive. It is exactly what I need when I'm moving from idea, from a document to a deck that I feel confident and comfortable presenting. If your goal is to walk into a room clear, prepared, and on message, this workflow will make a big difference for you. Instead of starting with slides, I always start with what I already have. So things like notes, plans, documents, and let the structure come first. Okay, let's start on the home page of Adobe Express and click on that purple plus sign and then quick actions, which is where you're gonna find this feature. There's a lot of good stuff in here, by the way, to check out if you haven't. But this feature that I'm gonna show you ensures that I'm not opening a blank deck or scrolling through templates before I even know what to say. This workflow really is designed to help you start with structure, not slides. Okay, there are a few places that we can start. I always love browsing these suggested starting points down here: pitch deck, onboarding steps, fundraising ideas, all real possibilities of what I might want to create in here. I typically start by adding my own links and files. And don't sleep on this option, by the way, adding links. This is really not available in other tools that I have tried, at least. I have a blog, so this is going to scrape them in literal seconds. So easy. Next, I will upload files. These can be PDFs, PowerPoints, Word docs, text files, spreadsheets, transcripts. You get the idea. You get up to 150 pages across 10 documents, at least at the time of recording this video. Basically, anything that I already have that captures my thinking. Now, in this case, I've uploaded materials that I've already created for personal branding workshops. So a short video series that I prepared on personal branding, an ebook, and a very old, poorly formatted Word document of personal branding exercises. But hey, formatting doesn't matter. These docs aren't even really related, and they're certainly not perfectly packaged as a presentation, and that's actually kind of the point. Upload them. This is where AI becomes genuinely useful. It can process a lot of information much faster than our brains can. But it still relies on us, the humans, to do the human part. We choose the source material, we decide what matters, and we're even the ones who add context, stories, and judgment. Once my files are uploaded, I'm ready to tell Express what kind of presentation that I want to create. My suggested prompts below have been updated based on the source material, and I'm going to show you now in a prompt how I might describe what I'm after. Let's say 3 seconds maximum. Create a presentation for a personal branding workshop. Structure the presentation for a live interactive workshop with clear sections, simple slide titles, and space for discussion and examples. Keep the tone practical, encouraging, easy to present. So there's no right prompt or perfect answer here, but the first step is finished. Now, before generating anything, I always tell Express who this presentation is for and how much detail it needs. This matters more than people think. Yes, this feels like a little secret that I'm letting you in on. Before I generate anything, I always open the Customize options first. Don't skip this step if you want optimal results. From here, I can set the length of the presentation based on how I'll be presenting. So short works perfectly for me, 1 to 10 slides, but I could also go medium, which is 10 to 20, or long, which is more than 20 with in-depth info. Next, audience. Look at these awesome options. I'll stick with small business, I think, for this workshop, but if I want, I can even add a custom audience if I want down here, so the possibilities are endless. Yes, we'll stick with small business. Finally, I can control the level of detail. I'll choose medium, that feels right. I want my slides to support what I'm saying out loud, but not compete with me or overload the room with text, not for this one. Once that's set, I can generate the presentation. Next, we'll choose a template that we like as a starting point. There are lots. Don't worry about things like color or fonts. These are really easy to change later. I look more at things like layout, existing design elements, and feel. You know, I've spotted this one down here, which is feeling good. I love that I can hover over the thumbnail to get a sense of what other slides exist in this template. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I think this one is going to suit my content well. Now, this is the part that I care the most about, the outline, because once the structure is right, everything else gets easier. Oh, this is the good stuff. Hitting next. Adobe Express doesn't just jump straight into slide design. Instead, it shows me the outline first. Love this. This is where I can review the structure before anything is locked in. And this is honestly one of the biggest reasons I use Generate Presentation instead of starting from scratch. From here, I can move slides up or down to improve the flow of the session. If something feels out of order, I just drag it. I can also edit slide titles, bullet points, so that they support my talking points. Maybe I'm not trying to say all of this on one slide. I can just make that adjustment. I want my slide to reinforce what I'm explaining out loud. If there's a section that doesn't belong, I can just delete it, like this one, not necessary. But if I want to expand on an idea, I can duplicate a slide, or I can just add a new one. And once that outline feels right, I can generate the deck. And look at that. Now, if something isn't working, I don't start over. I just regenerate the part that needs work. Once I'm inside the deck, I'm not locked into rebuilding everything just to make one change. If a single slide isn't working, let's say, like this one, I can refine with AI the entire presentation or just that slide without touching the rest of the presentation. So let's adjust the text similar to what you saw earlier in the outline stage. Rather than comparing two LinkedIn profiles, maybe this workshop is more about building a personal brand website, so we can make that update in the text. Yep, easy. Now, I'm also not digging this stock photo for my brand, and that's okay. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to delete it and replace it with something that feels more on brand for me. This one looks great. I'll just adjust the size and the crop, and then we are ready to rock much better. And it just took seconds. Once the structure is solid, branding and polish are fast and kind of fun. That's where the presentation really comes together. Now I'll apply my brand and add the final touches in Adobe Express. Oh yeah, this is where everything starts to feel cohesive. I can apply my brand colors and fonts across the entire deck just by clicking that button, so everything feels and looks consistent without manually fixing each one. I toggled through until I landed on a color scheme that I'm happy with, and I like how this is looking. Of course, there might be a few small edits along the way, but that's a lot faster than having to do everything from scratch. I'm thinking twice about that stock photo that I found. I like it, but maybe there's a photo of me from my own brand that's even better. I think this is. No harm in trying. And that's what I love about Express. It's the reason I do all my presentations from this tool now, seriously. Now, let's also add subtle animations. Nothing flashy. Single click animate all has got to be one of my favorite features. It animates them in a near instant. Next, let's add transitions if we want, just like in PowerPoint or Keynote. Let's see how they look in presentation mode. Yep, the slides feel more polished, but still clean and focused. Now, one more thing to show you. This is for those of you with a second screen. Take advantage of presenter mode. It opens a second browser window, which you'd put on your second screen. This is customizable. You can add speaker notes, only you see. You've got a timer, you've got a pointer that you can toggle on and off. This platform literally has everything that you need to be set up for success for your next presentation. Seriously. Generate Presentation in Adobe Express helps me move from ideas and documents to a deck that I can actually feel confident and comfortable presenting. It doesn't replace expertise. It gives me structure, clarity, and a strong first draft so that I can focus on delivery. If presentations are a part of your work, this is so worth trying. I've linked to it below. I'm Pallen. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.